and welcome to my channel. We're still making quick and easy Christmas treats, and today we're making little hot cocoa cookies. So you'll need Nilla wafers, miniature candy canes, whatever type of sprinkle you like. This one is a mini candy cane. I just thought it was so cute, so I went with those. You can do like little Christmas trees, really whatever you want. Miniature dried marshmallows, regular marshmallows, and some other type of fancy sprinkle. These are just little red, white, and green balls. You'll see where they go, and you can kind of decide what you want from there. So we're gonna start, and also melted chocolate. So we're gonna start with our Nilla wafer, and you're gonna put a dab of melted chocolate. I just cut the tip off of this because we're just gonna use it to like glue everything together. And make sure you get a nice marshmallow. I'm gonna plop that on there. Make sure it's centered. Gonna move it a little bit because I don't want the way my Nilla wafer looks. There we go. Okay. And then you're gonna take your candy cane. I broke the bottom off, so it's just like a U right now. So you're gonna put a dab on each end, and this is gonna be the handle of your hot cocoa mug. So you're just gonna glue that on. I'm just gonna hold it for a few seconds until it hardens. Okay. If you're making a bunch of these, you can always stick something underneath the candy cane to kind of hold it up. I don't have anything at the moment, so I think it's stuck pretty good though. Okay, then we're gonna take our little candy canes, and we're just gonna put the tiniest dab of chocolate on that to glue it. And we're gonna use this as the decoration on the front of our mug. So I'm just gonna glue the little candy cane on the mug. Okay. And then I'm just gonna use these for decoration at the bottom. So just a little tiny blob of chocolate. And you just wait till that hardens a bit, just to hold that on there. Okay. And I'm going to do one of each, I think. Okay. There's some green one on the other end. These are so adorable and they're so wonderful because there's literally no baking. There's, you know, a little bit of extra work with the chocolate and gluing things together with the chocolate, but if you're just not someone who really wants to bake, these are so cute. Okay, we just stick. Okay, and then we create our chocolate at the top. So you're just gonna do a little circle. Kind of leave an edge for the mug, and then fill that in. Okay. And then that's where our little tiny marshmallows come in, because you always want little tiny marshmallows on top of your hot cocoa. Okay, and I'm not going to pick this up because it's still cooling and hardening, but that's what it looks like. Slide it to the front of the table so you can see it. There we go. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe below. We're going to do lots of these up until Christmas. Bye, guys!